Yes, you can use a Samsung TV as a monitor. Modern Samsung TVs offer large screens, high resolutions up to 8K, and multiple connectivity options like HDMI and USB C. They're increasingly popular for gaming, productivity, and general entertainment. However, it's important to understand the trade offs compared to dedicated monitors to ensure optimal performance. Not all TVs are created equal in this regard, so let's explore what to consider. Samsung TVs primarily use HDMI as the most common input method. HDMI 2.1 is particularly powerful, supporting 4K resolution at 120 Hz and variable refresh rate for smooth, tear-free gameplay. Newer Samsung models feature USB-C with DisplayPort Alt mode, allowing direct connection to laptops without needing separate adapters. Some 2024 and later TVs even include dedicated DisplayPort connections for enhanced compatibility with desktop computers. It's crucial to ensure your PC's output capabilities match what the TV's inputs support. HDMI 2.0 supports 4K resolution at 60 Hz, while HDMI 2.1 unlocks higher refresh rates and variable refresh rate technology for much smoother gameplay. For resolution and refresh rate sweet spots, 4K resolution at 3840 by 2160 offers the best balance of detail and performance for most users. While 8K is available on flagship models, 4K provides optimal detail and performance without the performance drawbacks. For refresh rates, 60 Hz is standard, but gaming-oriented TVs boast 120 Hz for smoother visuals and fast-moving content. Always match the native resolution to avoid upscaling artifacts and ensure the best display quality. To optimize your Samsung TV for monitor use, start by accessing the settings menu through your remote control. Navigate to the picture settings and switch to PC mode or game mode. This reduces input lag and improves color accuracy for monitor-like performance. Disable post-processing effects like motion smoothing to prevent ghosting. This ensures crisp text and images without unwanted blurring. Enable auto low latency mode if your TV and device support it. This automatically reduces input lag for smoother gaming and responsiveness. Activate variable refresh rate in the gaming settings. This syncs your TV's refresh rate with your device's frame rate for tear-free visuals. Explore HDR10 Plus in the picture settings for enhanced brightness and contrast. This provides a more vibrant and detailed visual experience. Input lag is the delay between your actions, such as mouse clicks or keystrokes, and what you see on screen. TVs typically have higher input lag than dedicated monitors. While monitors can achieve 1 to 5 milliseconds, TVs average around 15 milliseconds. However, Samsung TVs have a game mode that reduces input lag significantly. Some models can achieve 5 to 10 milliseconds in game mode, which is acceptable for most users. Access these settings through the TV menu to enable game mode and other optimizations. Input delay can vary over time, as shown in this curve from gaming tests. If input lag is a major concern, always check reviews and specifications for input lag measurements before purchasing a TV for monitor use. TVs are designed for viewing at a greater distance, about 10 times the screen height, while monitors are meant to be viewed up close at about 2 times the screen height. This fundamental difference means text and UI elements appear smaller on a TV used as a monitor. To compensate, adjust scaling settings in your operating system, such as Windows scaling to 125 to 150%. Additionally, TVs may have less sharp text rendering compared to dedicated monitors. OLED TVs offer superior black levels and color accuracy, making them a good choice for color-sensitive work. QLED TVs are typically brighter and more affordable, suitable for general-purpose use. However, OLEDs are susceptible to burn-in if static elements like taskbars are displayed for extended periods. Use screensavers and hide desktop icons to mitigate this risk on OLED panels. Experts often recommend QLED for general-purpose use and OLED for color-critical tasks. The trend of using TVs as monitors is growing, driven by hybrid work and gaming. Expect further integration of monitor-specific features into TVs, such as AI-driven auto-calibration for better color accuracy and dedicated monitor mode software optimizations. Wireless connectivity, Wi Fi 7, and modular designs for easier mounting are also on the horizon. The line between TVs and monitors is blurring,